Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Konrad ke sama ke sengi balang ola Wanrah ke Mang Tyngka arja arposau arja arposan Jong ke Jylla Kaba Duna arja arkundai Klur Tyngka kebalong kumbalai 0.5% Jong ke Gross State Domestic Product GSDP habanyau ru ya kene ke Mang Tyngka kum commission 10 kaplan ban kentiu ya ke yok ke kot ke Jylla ba 10 billion US dollar po arja arpopra kajing yok lumpisa barok lang kalong arpunyo hajar niau po Klur Tyngka Kaba lamang baka revenue received kan long arpolai hajar sanspa khat san Klur Tyngka pada capital received kan long lai hajar sanspa san punyo Klur Tyngka ong ukan rat ha kajing kren hapo ke Mang Tyngka haba pelai no ya kajing shimram ba lai hajar sanspa arpunyo Klur Tyngka kajing yo lum pisa ba lamang kan long arpolai hajar sanspa sapusan Klur Tyngka Walong haba benrap ba kajing mang ban pelut kalong arpunyo hajar niau po Klur Tyngka ya kaba ke revenue expenditure lamang khatkanda hajan ruspa san polai Klur Tyngka pada capital expenditure kan long niau hajar saus pa khatkandai Klur Tyngka Walong ba kajing siu ya kesut jong usnem hajar posan lamang ban long 6,000 aspa lai penru Klur Tyngka mat kajing siu ya kebai bam temen kalong 6,000 paspa ande posan Klur Tyngka Menteri Rangba ola kamru ba katong jong ke Jylla kalong pankande kawai na kispo tali ke Jylla bahakli du jong keri haba pai se katong jong ke GDP bat SDG hapo usnem ajar lai po kabadai ke jing ang not bat kabala pat ban pen urlong ula ang ba katong bat pelong arsya ya ke GSDP bat pelong ya mekalaya 2 billion US dollar economy kadai ke bala bu ya ke GSDP usnem ajar po lai kum usnem stang ya ke jing yanu jor haba ke GSDP jong Jylla kadang day sao po hajar rius pa kandai po niau Klur Tyngka lane san point lai billion US dollar Menteri Rangba ola Wanrah ru ya ke gender budget bat ai ke Mang Tyngka ba san hajar ars pa niau po wei Klur Tyngka dagam ta usnem hajar pusau kajing bah pisa segi kam halo kajing long jingmang kemariang kalong sao hajar san spa wei Klur Tyngka Ukonrat loong baka Mang Tyngka nak menta kisamla ke bakan tup ye barok kikam kiban le nak menta kisamla kan long arhaja paspa san pulai Klur nalor kita Menteri Rangba ola kren ru sepang kibobon kimang kibala ka sarkar Jylla ka don kamban pelut
Evening to everyone. As you're aware that we have presented the budget for 2024-25 and as you're aware that the budget has been termed as a Mission 10 budget, and that is because we have been focusing on the target of the state government to reach a $10 billion economy, and to achieve that goal we have identified 10 opportunities where we can create those different scope where we can actually move towards that kind of economy. And while we grow in that economy, we have also looked at 10 commitments that we're making towards the people of the state. And it also, as I said, the 2028 year will coincide with the 10 years of the MDA government. So it's a Mission 10 document and a Mission 10 budget. We are hopeful that we'll be able to move in this direction. The different sectors that have been identified, you must have seen the presentation of the budget is done more from a vision perspective, and it is not the normal way of giving all the departmental breakups, because we have tried to do that in different paragraphs, but we have tried to combine the overall vision of the state, because we feel that if you don't connect the dots, then the whole story does not come out and you actually miss the ultimate goal and objective of what you're trying to do. So it's a very differently structured budget speech, but you will see that it is very, very focused in terms of what we want to do, and is giving a very realistic figure of what we're trying to achieve. Some interesting numbers which you will see is also the GSDP growth. And if you can see that towards the end from 2019, 2020, you can see that it's been a continuous upward trend. And this is, of course, in line with our target. As mentioned, we are, from the date we had started and expressed our desire to move towards our goal to move towards a $10 billion economy. Today, we are projecting that we should be touching $6.6 billion in the next financial year. So we are definitely moving towards that target. Another very interesting chart to notice out here and see is the actual expenditure. Again, if you look at the expenditures, you will see that from 2019-20, from a 10,000 rupee expenditure, and these are actual expenditures, by the way. This will keep going up, and as you can see, we are targeting to touch 27,000 crores in the next financial year. So this chart is a very good and strong reflection of the kind of commitment and the work and the efficiency with which the absorption capacity of the state has gone up because of the work that is happening at the grassroots, and that is because of the team that we have at the grassroots level and obviously the government level. And so it's reflecting a very positive growth story of the state. So keeping that in mind, as I said, we have presented the budget, and as you can see that there are a lot of stress and areas where we are focusing a lot. For example, we are focusing a lot on the urban centric approach. We want to create growth centers. We are focusing on road connectivity. We are focusing on power production and power stability, so on and so forth. There are many important objectives that have been given by the state.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center